Hi everyone, I wanted to talk to you today about a different use for SpringShare's LibGuides. I know that a lot of libraries out there already have a subscription to LibGuides and you're probably using them to create research guides and subject guides for different topic areas. But one other use that you can possibly use this LibGuides subscription for is for your book club headquarters. If you do have a book club or probably several book clubs at your library, you can bring these online and set up a hub in the form of a LibGuide. And we have one at the New York Law Institute for our graphic novel book club. And I'll show you what that looks like. Here we've got two tabs for the details about the book club, about upcoming meetings, images of past meetings, contacts, the librarian who moderates all of the meetings, future meetings. And then you can also embed things like polls where your book club members can vote for what you'll read next. And you can even create these so that they are linked so that people can quickly and easily click in to get more information about some of the potential books that you might read for discussion during your next meeting. And as I mentioned before, there's no need to start from scratch with LibGuides. To create a new LibGuide for your book club, you would just go to your home page on LibApps under LibGuides, click to create a new guide, and rather than starting fresh, you would copy the content and layout from an existing guide, select Community Guides, and just type in Book Club. This will give you a lot of different book clubs, a lot of different types of book clubs for you to go in and choose from for your layout and starter content. So let's take a look at one. So here's one for the HPU libraries in Hawaii. And the same sort of information here, but a completely different layout. And so this is something that you would want to look through, probably quite a few of these. Once again, if you didn't want to use that one, you would just type in book club again and reconduct your search. And that would get you going, creating a LibGuide for your book club headquarters online.